This is an emergency action notification requested by the National Flavor Surveillance Agency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Indiana Department of Seasonal Aromas and the National Weather and Spice Service. At 11:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a rapid outbreak of uncontrolled pumpkin spice dispersion was detected in downtown Indianapolis. The source is believed to be a breach in the Starbucks flavor containment unit near Monument Circle. Citizens have reported intense whiffs of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, followed by uncontrollable urges to wear flannel and post-autumn selfies. This is a Level 3 seasonal aroma emergency. Effects may include sudden cravings for lattes, spoken word poetry about fall, temporary transformation into a cozy girl aesthetic, unauthorized candle hoarding. Residents with low tolerance to basic flavor trends should shelter in place immediately. Close all windows. Avoid Target stores and farmers markets. Do not approach any individuals holding a leaf-stamped mug. If you are outdoors, seek refuge in a non-seasonal establishment such as a Taco Bell or AutoZone. This warning will remain in effect until the spice cloud dissipates or until mid-November, whichever comes first. Stay tuned to local media outlets for updates. Do not panic. Do not bake. We now return you to your regularly scheduled programming.